I'm going to show you how to access this data using QGIS. So once you're in QGIS, you need a plugin called Add Vector Tiles Layer. So you can install, if you're using QGIS, you know how to install those plugins. So use this one, and you need to create a connection. So I have already created the connection with the open infrastructure, and then you can find that link, and then you can see that connection, and it will let you to upload or access those layer, and you can do the few settings as you like it, and then you want to be add those ones into your screen, and it will be displaying the open infrastructure data sets into your QGIS um, view. So now you can zoom into the certain areas where you want to focus, and then you can have an option to choose the data which you want to be download. So all the layers are there. You can control these layers, turn off and off, and then you're going to be exporting those layers. So for example, in this is the screen, if I want to be export this data, so I can do export and save as a feature layer, and then you have option for all those information convert into, and then you can use into a different format. So I will go to the shape file, and then put the name of the shape file is for the power stations one, and then you can export this data, and now you can see this data is added here. So I can move this one outside this. Okay, and now you can turn off this layer, and that is the data you have in your exported layer. And then you can see the attribute table of this data set. So you have most of the attributes in this where the name is there, and then you can see some other information in terms of stations, types, date, voltage, line. So those informations I have already exported into that layer. So you need to work into that region, and then you can export the layer one by one into the GIS format for your research and analysis purposes. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any question or you want to know other data sets, I have a lot of ideas, especially where you can find those data sets. If you need anything for the research, I'm going to make more videos about those data sets. So keep watching if you have any questions, and if you want to know any other data sets where you want to find it, just like let me know. You know the way to reach out to me. Thank you very much for watching.